Meet Alan. Alan owns a small business, and he works hard every day to ensure his business is successful. Alan has realized that to be successful, he must be 100% focused on things that matter. Things like winning new business, keeping his customers happy, managing his expenses, and of course, ensuring his staff has everything they need to provide the best customer service. Alan has no time for computers and technology getting in the way of his day-to-day operations. This is where we come in. In the past, Alan spent significant time and resources making sure all the technology being used within his company was working. Unfortunately, this didn't always work out well, which negatively impacted his employees, his customers, and ultimately Alan's stress levels. One day, Alan realized that there had to be a better way. Alan finally recognized that what he needed was an IT support and computer services company that he could trust. So Alan hired our team to take care of his team by making sure his computers, printers, emails, and all his technology stays up and running. This allows Alan and his team to focus on their number one priority, their customers. Want to be more like Alan? Simple. Just contact us today. We can help you focus on the things that really matter to your business. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more.